Hey you guys, welcome back. As you can see here in the description, I'm doing the Hamilton Beach Smooth Touch can opener review or unboxing. I just recently purchased this from Walmart because I normally just have a handheld one, but I'm gonna upgrade. So let's see. I want to excuse my hands. It's paint, but it's whatever. Okay, let's open it up. Let's see. Okay. Well, the first thing I can see is it's not packaged for break proof or anything like that, so I guess it doesn't matter. So let's take it out. Okay, it's fancy smancy. That lifts up, that lifts down. We're saying, let's see, remove lift lever before lift lever to remove before use. Okay, so I'm gonna practice on, I have a can of green beans, which is just a store brand. Let's see, let me read the directions so I can give you a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Let's see. I know you guys are saying this is self-explanatory, Sabrina, but let me just make sure I'm doing it right. I want to do it justice. Okay, so I think I have it right. Here are the directions, you guys. It's about 4 steps. Nothing spectacular. Okay, that's it. Okay, 1 second, you guys, while I go wipe the can off. Okay, I'm back. Let's see. So I'll push it down. No, push it up first. Push it down and go. Okay, wait a minute. Let me see. Oh, I guess I didn't do the directions. Okay, let's see. This is gonna be a fail for me, but now let's see. Okay, it says make sure the activation lever is pulled up all the way and in the unlocked position. Okay, place can against front of can opener and lift up until rim is under cutting mechanism. Okay. Hold the lever down until the can has completed 1 rotation only. I'm not doing something right. Okay, so wait. Make sure the activation level is okay. I'll be right back, y'all. Okay, you guys, it was open. Okay, let me tell you what I did. So this is the one that opens from the side, so it doesn't, you know, cut you or whatever. So it was open the first 3-4 times that I did it. It just opens from the side. Oh, my bad, you guys. So in all, without the operator error, the Hamilton Beach Smooth Touch is a plus. If you like this video, subscribe, hit the like button, share, and stay tuned. Bye. Thank you.